Hello everyone. Let's say you want to have two cameras on your drone, one for the front, one for the back. And you want to be able to switch between these cameras whenever you want. To do that, you need to have a video switcher, which is something like this. I will provide a link to the product that I bought on Amazon. It's around $8. So here's how it's done. First, you have a receiver. Right? Now this receiver gets 5 volts from these batteries going into here. So on the bottom we have ground, and on top you have 5 volts. So 5 volts are coming to the receiver. Right? And I'm going to turn it on now, so you will see that it is going to get the 5 volts. As you can see right now, there is nothing here. When I turn this on, the push button, it starts like that. Right? So the receiver is on now. Now the receiver we need to be able to switch between the two cameras. Okay, so from receiver, let's say the receiver is wired to channel 6 here, which is a 3-position switch on a FlySky transmitter. Yellow is the signal, 5 volts is the red, ground is black. Okay, and it's going into this video switcher here on this side. Now then you have a transmitter, a video transmitter. Okay? These wires, red and black, are for example, starting from 7 to 26 volts. Actually, I have like 7 volts coming from these two batteries. Okay? And I'm going to turn them on now, so we will have power. Okay, so now we have power in the video transmitter. As you can see there by the flashing of channels, band, and the power output. Right now it is outputting around 1000 milliwatts or 1 watt. This is pretty strong. Okay, so this is the transmitter, and we have 3 main wires: yellow the signal, black is the ground, and red from the transmitter going into this switcher here, where it says here. I think I can show it to you better with this here. So those 3 wires from the VTX are going here. Out VCC and GND. Out is signal, VCC, GND. And then you have 2, or if you want, actually you can have 3. I have 2 cameras. One is here at the bottom. You have black, red, and yellow. Ground, 5 volts, and signal. And the same thing you got here. As you can see, a black, red, and yellow. And I think you can clearly see that it is for into. Into means second camera, and this is this is in 1. Actually, in 3. No, the in 3 is empty. So we have in 3. Sorry, we have in 1 here, and into. So those are two cameras. Right? So if this is working, you can get yourself a VR helmet like this. It's the cheapest one. It's around $100. You turn this on. Right. Okay, so immediately you can see that there is something showing there. I'm going to put it down. So I'm going to put it down here. So there is one view, and then when I click the switch on okay, so this is my transmitter, right? So okay, now we have nothing showing there. Then when I click the switch, we have I think this is this is the back camera, which is facing me. And then when I click the switch here, and this is now the front camera, which is away from me, as you can see there. Yes. Yeah. So in this way, you can turn this on. You can switch to another point of view. You can turn it off like this. Okay. So thank you for your time. I will attach a link in the description. Bye.